iPhone 8 Plus versus Samsung Galaxy S9 after 6 years. So let's go. First, we start the test with booting up the phone at the same time. S9 has 4 GB of RAM while 8 Plus have 3 GB of RAM. See which phone open first. iPhone 8 Plus open first. Still a great phone. iPhone 8 Plus. I still use this. Samsung Galaxy S9 now. iPhone 8 Plus come with A11 Bionic chip, while Samsung Galaxy S9 has Snapdragon 845. So let's see which phone still fast after 6 years. We're gonna start this as Snapchat. Faster on S9. Play Store. Again faster on S9. Subway Surfer. Faster on iPhone 8 Plus, yes. No, yes. Temple Run. About the same on both phones. Yes, about the same. Firefox. About the same on both phones. CapCut. 8 Plus. Snapchat. Refresh on S9. Still on 8 Plus. App Store. Still on both the phones. Temple Run. Firefox. And lastly, CapCut. Still on both the phone. So that's it. Still the both phone is still very good phone in 2024. I love the both phone. I still using it in 2024. So if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video.